If you're ready to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. Debt University offers structured programs designed to help you understand credit, negotiate debt, and make more confident financial decisions. We have a great program designed just for you. Our programs are designed for everyday people like you who want to understand how the financial system really works. You'll learn how credit reports are evaluated, how negotiation strategies work with creditors, and how to approach important financial decisions with greater clarity. You can choose the program that fits your particular situation. The Credit Improvement Program focuses on understanding and improving your credit profile. The Debt Negotiation Strategies Program helps you learn how to approach debt discussions more effectively. And the Mortgage Modification Essentials Program explains options available to homeowners facing financial difficulty. For those who want the complete financial education path, the Financial Control Bundle includes all programs in one comprehensive learning experience. You can explore any of these programs with a free trial. Start learning today and take the first step toward understanding the system that shapes your financial opportunities.